Hey guys, what's up? This is Cools, and we're going to cover a quick problem that a lot of people are running into when uploading Moodle manually to their server. So the problem is that they run into these PHP extension checks, and the way to get these to pass is by following these few steps here. So let me go to, and this I'm going to show you on GoDaddy, but if you have Bluehost or HostGator, this will also apply. So let's go to, all right, so I'm in my GoDaddy account, and I go down here to web hosting and to manage. Sorry about the wait, but I'm not going to edit the waiting part out because it's a pretty quick process. All right, so you will go to cPanel admin. All right, when you're in cPanel, you're going to scroll down to the software section and select PHP version. Click on that. Now mine is already upgraded. However, you will select as soon as it lets me. All right, so you're probably on 5.6 and you'll need to be on 7.0 or above. I just chose 7.0 because it works with my website theme and also with Moodle. So select 7.0 and then set as current. Click this, and this is extremely important. You want to set as current. And then when that's completed, you want to, this is how you fix the Moodle PHP problem, the extension problems. You'll click the extensions. So right here you can see where it says extensions. And the two that I ran into whenever trying to do it with HostGator, with GoDaddy, is the zip. You need to check the zip, and you need to check the Apache. So, and then what you'll do is click save. And then you'll refresh the page on the install for Moodle, and it should have those gone away. Now, if you have more extensions that it shows, for example, in this picture here, like INTL, and I don't even know if that's one that's, so INTL is already checked on mine, but if you're using